Assalamualaikum and good day, my fellow judges, associate professor, and also the others in the room. My name is Nurul Wahida Mohd Razali as presenter for today. So my topic is about development of e-learning module e-solutions based on Constructivism approach for Form 5 Consumer Mathematics Insurance topic. So I'm also joined work with Rohaidah Masri, Azlina Yasin, Mohamad Nurizwan Jumiran, and also Mariati, Bakait. So we choose this topic because of the first one, Form 5 Consumer Mathematics Insurance topic. Consumer Mathematics Insurance as one of the new topic in the implementation of the secondary school standard curriculum, which is KSSM, which has begun in 2021 in Malaysia. So based on our studies, so we found that the teaching aids for the new topic in KSSM are quite limited, especially for the topic of consumer mathematics insurance. The second one, why we choose this topic due to the education post COVID-19. As we know, the COVID-19 pandemic has changed the teaching and learning strategies that undergoes with online teaching and learning, which is PDPR. So uncertain situation give impact to the teachers to play their role in providing the multimedia based teaching aids for the PDPR session. So as we know that teaching and learning based on multimedia and technology is a appropriate approach that provide the maximum impact in the teaching and learning process. So this is our research objective, to develop e-learning module e-solution based on Constructivism approach for the topic of Form 5 Consumer Mathematics Insurance, which has a good validity. The second one, to identify usability level of e-learning module e-solution based on Constructivism approach for the topic of Form 5 Consumer Mathematics Insurance from the perspective mathematics pre-service teacher in Sultan Idris Education University, which is UPSI. So our research methodology with Developmental Research Design, DRD, that underlying the ADDIE model consists of 5 steps. The first one, we analyze the past studies and identifies problems. So after we analyze the all problem, analyze the all documents related to the education, we design e-learning module e-solution that contain interactive element by using the PowerPoint, because PowerPoint is easily accessible online and offline. So based of our design, we develop e-learning module e-solution that contains menus, notes, quizzes, and also games. So after we develop e-learning module e-solution, we implement by expert validity tests on e-learning module e-solution for 5 expert. So lastly, we evaluate the e-learning module e-solution and analyze of the study finding. Next, for the population sample and selection of expert, our population is 186 UPSI mathematics pre-service that already take KPD 3016 and KPD 3026 courses, which is education courses, and also has already undergone 2 sessions of teachers apprenticeship program in school. From the population, we took 30 pupils for the pilot study, 7 respondents for the usability, and we took this sample by using convenient sampling technique. And to evaluate the validity of e-learning module e-solution, we took 3 experienced mathematics teachers and 2 mathematics lecturers with a minimum 5 years experience to evaluate the validity of e-learning module e-solution, because of According to Berliner 2004, experts must have experience in the field of understudy for at least 5 years. And also according to Saiful Yusuf 2019, the selection of expert must be based on the expertise of the individual with the topic studies. That's why we took 3 experienced mathematics teachers and 2 mathematics lecturers with a minimum of 5 years lecture to evaluate the validity of e-learning module e-solution. So to get the validity and usability level of e-learning module e-solution, we have 2 instruments. The first one, e-learning module validation form. The second one, e-learning module usability questionnaire. The 2 instruments were taken and adapted by Mohamad Roslan 2021. Okay, for the e-learning module validation form, that consists of 2 constructs, which are face validity and content validity, while for e-learning module usability questionnaire consists 3 constructs. The first one, usefulness, ease of use, satisfactions. So to calculate, to analyze the instrument for the e-learning module validation form, we analyze by calculate the Content Validity Index (CVI). So from the values that we get CVI, we interpret the CVI score by using Lean 1986. For the e-learning module usability questionnaire, we calculate by descriptive statistic by calculation of mean and standard variation by using SPSS. From the value of mean score interpretation, we interpret by using Hamidah Abdul Rahman, Fatimah Jaafar and Lily Kalso Marji 2021. So this is our e-learning module e-solution by using Microsoft PowerPoint that consists front page, menu, teaching videos, notes, games and quizzes. So to answering the objective 1, which is to find out the validity of e-learning module e-solution. So as you can see, the face validity and content validity, we get the average CVI is 1. So according to the Lean 1986, to obtain a good validity, the CVI value for a number of experts less than 5 people is supposed to get 1. So we get CVI 1. So we can conclude that a good content validity indicate that the presentations, appearance and content of the evaluating component are good and meaningful. And the last one, to answering the objective 2, okay, we find that we get the mean for useful 3.76, ease of use we get the 3.78, for the satisfactions we get 3.78. So for overall mean we get 3.77 with standard deviation 0.420. So the interpretation from Hamidah Abdul Rahman, Fatimah Jaafar and Lily Kalso Marji 2021, the mean score we should get 3.51 until 4. So you can see we get average means 3.77. So we can say that e-learning module e-solution get the high usability value that indicate that a good capability of product that has been built in a line to its development objective. So we can conclude that the development of e-learning module e-solution based on Constructivism approach for the topic of Form 5 Consumer Mathematics Instrument has a good validity, and also this e-learning module e-solution also get the usability level at a high level from the perspective of UPSI Mathematics Pre-Service. So for implication, okay, development of e-learning module e-solution, we can say that the e-module solution is easily accessible, user-friendly, and is suitable to use. So by using the animations, interactive elements, graphic and colors, visual, it also can help to stimulate pupils' memory. And this module able to encourage students to learn on their own through the learning material given at any time. So more fun in learning this topic, as there are many interesting activities, especially for quizzes and games and interactive component in this e-learning. That's all for me. Thank you.